Parsons Surname Meaning in History presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English occupational surname for the servant of a local parish or a priest, from the Middle English word persone or parson. Early bearers included William Parsona in Norfolk, England in 1273, Adam le Parson in Roxburghshire, Scotland in 1296, Rodger le Parsons in Staffordshire, England in 1327, and John Parson in Somerset, England in 1327. Noble titles held included the Parsons Baronetcy of Bellamont in the county of Dublin. It was created in the Baronetage of Ireland in 1620 for Sir William Parsons, Surveyor General of Ireland, and we see his likeness on the right, as well as the remains of Bellamont Castle depicted in this painting. Sir Richard Parsons, the third Baronet of Bellamont, was elevated to the peerage as Viscount Rosse in 1681, and his son, Richard Parsons, who we see on the right, was created Earl of Rosse in 1718. He was a Freemason and founding member of the Hellfire Club. Parsons Baronetcy of Birr Castle in Kings County was created in 1677 for Sir Laurence Parsons, who died in 1698. He was succeeded by William, and it looks like the last baronet died in 1841. Here we see Birr Castle. Sir Lawrence Harmon Parsons, an Irish politician, was elevated to the peerage as Baron Oxmantown in 1792, Viscount Oxmantown in 1795, and finally Earl of Rosse in 1806. He was an Irish astronomer and engineer. The third Earl of Rosse, William Parsons, was an astronomer and engineer, born 1800 and died in 1867. And lastly, the last title they held was the Parson Baronetcy of Langley in the county of Buckinghamshire. It was created in the Baronetage of England in 1661 for Sir William Parsons, and the title became extinct on the death of the fourth baronet, Sir Mark Parsons, in 1812. Notables included John Parsons, an English academic and Bishop of Peterborough in 1813. William Parsons, born 1736, was a British actor and painter. Brigadier General Mosby Monroe Parsons, born 1822, was a senior officer of the Confederate States Army who commanded infantry in the Trans-Mississippi Theater of the American Civil War. Sir John Parsons, born 1639, of the Priory at Reigate in Surrey, which we see on the left, was an English brewer, purchaser for the Royal Navy, and Tory politician who sat in the English House of Commons, and he was also the Lord Mayor of London in 1703. Nancy Parsons, a political mistress who died in 1815. James Parsons, born 1705, an English physician and antiquary. Sir William Parsons, who died in 1817, professor of music at Oxford University. And lastly, Humphrey Parsons, who died in 1741, was a brewer, politician, and Lord Mayor of London. Early settlers included John Parsons, who came to Virginia in 1619. James, Philip, and Henry Parsons William arrived in Virginia in 1635, and William Parsons came to Nova Scotia, Canada in 1750. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.